Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in Binance US. First, ensure your account is fully verified, as this unlocks all deposit functionalities. Next, you'll select your desired deposit method, such as linking a bank account for convenient transfers. Always double-check all the details before confirming your deposit to ensure a smooth transaction. Let's get started with the steps. To deposit via ACH, begin by logging into your Binance US account and navigating to the wallet section. From there, select Deposit and choose USD as your currency. You'll then connect your bank account securely using Plaid. Once linked, simply enter the amount you wish to deposit, keeping in mind that a minimum of $10 is often required. Review and confirm your transaction. For larger deposits, wire transfers are an option, though ACH is currently the primary method for USD. If available, you would initiate a wire from your bank using Binance US's provided details. Debit card deposits offer instant funding, but always check for any associated fees and daily limits. Confirm your bank supports these types of transfers to avoid delays. After initiating a deposit, always review your transaction history within the Binance US app to confirm its status. If you encounter any issues, such as an insufficient funds notice, contact their support team. Remember that ACH deposits can take 1 to 3 business days to process. Always ensure all entered information is accurate to prevent delays or complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.